We'll guide you through how to undo and redo in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop, and use the taskbar search feature to find Google Chrome. Open the Google Chrome application. After the browser launches, enter Figma into the search bar and click the official Figma website from the search results. Before continuing, ensure that you are already logged into your Figma account. For this tutorial, begin by opening one of your recent projects. Once the file loads, the edit page of your project will appear with the canvas and all design elements visible. To demonstrate the undo and redo functions, make a small change to your design. For example, click a specific layer and move it to a different position on the canvas. After making the change, move your cursor to the top left corner of the interface and click the Figma logo. A pop-up menu will appear with several options. Select Edit, then choose Undo to cancel the movement you just made. The selected layer will immediately return to its original position on the canvas. Next, click the Figma logo again to reopen the same menu. Once again, select Edit, but this time, choose Redo. The layer will be restored to the modified position, reapplying the change that was previously undone. This feature is useful when you accidentally reverse an action or want to compare different versions of your design. As a faster alternative, you can use keyboard shortcuts instead of opening the menu each time. Press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard to perform the undo command instantly. Whenever you need to restore the last action that was undone, press Ctrl+Y to perform the redo command. These shortcuts can significantly speed up your workflow, especially when making frequent adjustments during the design process. By mastering both the menu options and keyboard shortcuts, you can work more efficiently